What's up, everybody? It's Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2004 Honda Rune. This is a pretty sweet bike. It is not very common. They only made them for a couple of years. We're calling it rare. It's pretty rare for us to get one of these in, or something like this in. It has the 1800cc flat six motor. It has the 5-speed transmission, and this thing is pretty cool. We just got it in. So let's take a walk around this thing. It has this very interesting rear fender. As you can see, it comes down low and swoops up over the top. It almost has like a retro look to it. It's pretty clean. It only has like 6,000 miles on it. It does have a few light marks on it. There's one tiny mark there. Hard to see it. The black. And there is one mark right there at my finger. But like I said, the thing's pretty sweet, pretty clean. It was well taken care of. There's a small mark there too. Not sure what caused that. Those low fenders, I would not be surprised if that was a small stone chip. It is shaft drive, which you can see there. It's your turn signal. The brake light was built into the rear fender. This thing is sweet. It's super long. It's like 7.5 feet long or something like that. It's got plenty of chrome. It has a little bit of that, like, what do they call it, like neo retro look to it, like a throwback to like the 30s but modern. Here's the exhaust. Come along, you can see the side panel. This is all metal. Oh no, it's not, it's plastic. That is a side cover there. This here is metal. There you got your rider peg, rear brake. You can see the motor there. See the heads coming off. This is the 3 cylinders of the 6. It is the flat 6, the opposing boxer motor. Honda did a really good job on this thing. It sounds cool. It rides really nice. Don't miss out on the test drive video that Sean did. It will be up on YouTube. And it is just, I don't know. I don't know that much about these things. I'm sure if you're watching this video, you know more about these things than I do, so I don't want to say anything incorrectly, but I kind of want to give a good detailed look at it so you guys know what you're looking at. And we'll be really excited for somebody to get this thing. We're gonna be really excited to make some videos with this thing. We don't get something that often like this, with the cool flame mirrors going on there. Got your controls, levers, coming down the front fork tubes. Everything's looking good. It has this, I do not know the name of this. The Springer, it's like the Harley Springer front end. I'm not gonna try to make it up because I don't know. And like I said, if you're watching this video, you know more about this than I do. There's a small mark right there. Small mark right there. Not much here on the front nose. There's a little mark right there. My finger is. We do have a new front tire for this. So yes, this tire is fairly well worn. I mean, it can be ridden that way, but it will get replaced. Got that gnarly headlight. Thing sticks way out, with the chrome on top. Looking very clean. Spin this around. You see this side. There you go, that same front end, same front suspension. Coming down the fork tubes, super clean, no marks, no scratches. This bike has never been down. Again, got that same fender as up the back, coming down low to the ground. Got those cool fins in there, that was cool, kind of got that retro chrome look to it. Clean here on this side. The engine guard. Again, there's the other 3 cylinders of that flat 6. The exhaust coming off, got your rider peg, your shift knobs, the side panel, you see your ignition there. There you go, there's the exhaust on this side. This thing is super nice. Put along, there's your turn signal. Those wheels are pretty sweet looking. It's kind kind of got that, almost that like mag wheel look off the old hot rods. Coming up over the back fender with this a little bit. Got the little mark right here. Got this leather seat. The guy had this seat apparently sent to Italy and got Italian leather stitched on it. It looks really nice. Goes well with the black, I think. Up over here over the tank. No marks on the tank to be worried about or to be reported on. There's some light like little scuffs in here, but not scratches, just kind of that faint scuff, like maybe a glove got drug across it or something. Got your fuel cap. There's your gauges. Turn it on so you can see that. There you go, 6,000 miles. Your controls coming across here. The Rune! The Rune. So we're gonna make sure this bad boy's in neutral. We'll fire it up for you. There it is, it's in neutral. Here it has that kind of it's the same motor as the Goldwing. I think it sounds really nice. It's got a lot of power, an 1800cc motor. Turn it off, you guys can hear me talk. And it is built on that Valkyrie platform. It is a really, really cool bike. It is just, they didn't make them that long, and to even have one here, we're really stoked to have it. Like I said, don't miss out on the test drive video that Sean did. And yeah, let's make sure the signals work. Got your front signal there, your rear signal there. Your rear signal there, and your front signal there. Alright guys, like I said, it's a 2004 Honda Rune. Just got this thing in. Don't miss out on the test drive video, and thanks so much for watching.